Hey guys, welcome to my channel आओ सीखें। आज की क्लास में हम बात करने वाले हैं ब्लेंडेड वर्ड्स की, जो आपने कई बार सुने होंगे, पर शायद आपको उनका मतलब या फॉर्मेशन के बारे में पता नहीं होगा। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम आपको कॉमनली यूज्ड ब्लेंडेड वर्ड्स के बारे में बताएंगे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। Blended words or portmanteau words. It is composed of two existing words, combining them together to represent something new. Some blended words are simply slang, but others are used too often that we have added them to the dictionary and applied them to our everyday language. When you're first learning English, these words can seem quite confusing, but their origins are very simple. Take a look. Number 1. Sitcom. Situation plus comedy. A genre of comedy used in television which is based on a fixed set of characters who carry over from episode to episode. Number 2. Docudrama is equal to documentary plus drama. A drama as for television dealing freely with historical events, especially of a recent and controversial nature. Number 3. Interpol. International plus police. Full name is the International Criminal Police Organization, and they are an intergovernmental organization. They have 195 member countries and they help police in all of them to work together to make the world a safer place. Number 4. Smog. Smoke plus fog. Smoke is air pollution that reduces visibility. The term smoke was first used in the early 1900s to describe a mix of smoke and fog. Number 5. Paratroops. Parachute plus troops. Paratroops are military agents whose job is to descend from aircrafts using parachutes and overtake a specific region. Number 6. Blog, web plus log. When the internet came into everyday life, people started documenting their lives online, and the weblog or blog became a way of expressing yourself through writing and sharing it with others online. Number 7. Bollywood. Bombay plus Hollywood is equal to Bollywood. Bollywood name is derived from Bombay, now Mumbai, India. Bollywood is the Mumbai film industry, India's Hindi film industry. The name Bollywood was coined during the 1970s. Number 8. Pixel, picture plus element. In digital imaging, a pixel is the smallest addressable element in a raster image. Number 9. Internet, international plus network. The internet is a vast network that connects computers all over the world. Through the internet, people can share information and communicate from anywhere with an internet connection. Number 10. Frenemy, friend plus enemy. A person who is or pretends to be a friend but who is also in some ways an enemy or rival. Number 11. Webinar is equal to web plus seminar. A seminar conducted over the internet. Number 12. Cosplay, costume plus play. The practice of dressing up as a character from a film, book, or video game. Number 13. Hangry, hungry plus angry. Have you ever been hungry and ended up in a bad mood or feeling irritated? Then once you eat, you feel better again. You very well may have been hangry. Number 14. Motel, motorway plus hotel. Motel are usually located along a highway or route where there are a lot of cars traveling, but no cities or towns nearby. Number 15. Guesstimate. Guessed plus estimate. Sometimes you may not know the exact answer, and that's where this blended word comes in handy. Guesstimate is a combination of guess and estimate. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.